This home for sale in Stayton might be the smallest home in the neighborhood, but do you know why that's good? Because the other bigger and more expensive homes will bring your home value up. You never want to buy the biggest house in the neighborhood because, well, then the opposite thing happens to you. I always think these double fireplaces are interesting, like one chimney, two fireplaces. If you're wondering what that big red thing is on the furnace, it's an air filtration system. I do like that someone carved out a small bathroom here. Always better to have more bathrooms, if at all possible. The garage is finished and rather big, which means you can find more uses for it than just parking your car in there. But there are even more bonus spaces in this house because whoever originally owned this house really liked sunrooms. Like this one right here, which, sweet, it's nice to have a space like this in Oregon where, it rains a lot and can be cold. But what's interesting is that they added another one to the other side of the house too. I'll show you that in a minute. This house will need someone with vision to come and finish it up. The seller's added a new roof and it has some items fixed, but as you can see in the kitchen, this is an area that needs more work for sure. The advantage of this house is the neighborhood is in. Smaller house in an amazing neighborhood? That means any money you put into this house will be worth it in the end. You definitely can't say that about all homes. Because for some homes, it doesn't matter how much money you put into it, it'll never be worth that much more. And Stayton is a great bedroom community just outside of Salem. What is a bedroom community? A community that has bedrooms in it. Duh. This is the second sunroom I was talking about, and there is this really interesting area right there. See, it has a sink and a drain. I think it was used as an area to rinse off from the hot tub, but could you add another bathroom here? Maybe. Either way, it's an interesting space, and other than the carpet that needs to be replaced, it seemed fancier than the last sunroom to me. Anyway, if you want to see this in person, send me a message and let's go. As always, good luck on your property search out there,